Hi, my name is Bachan Anand, and I'm going to be talking today about the Scrum Foundation and Scrum values. So the framework as Scrum works mainly because of the core foundation and value what stands behind it. So the first foundation of Scrum is empiricism, which stands for small, plan, execute, and reflect cycles, where you do some work, you get some feedback from it, and you incorporate that back into the overall work what you're doing. The other core foundation of Scrum is self-organization, which really refers to people who are closest to the work, making decisions for how to do your work. So this can include managers, people, product owners, anyone who is responsible for certain work and making decision instead of someone else telling them what to do or making a commitment on their behalf. Prioritization, and also goes back to focus, is working on what's the most important thing. Instead of trying to start on a bunch of things, it's really about looking at what's most important and focusing on that and finishing it. And then the other two values, the next one is rhythm, which is really creating a sustainable pace in your work environment and also getting into these cycles which will help you build a better product. And all this leads to collaboration, which is better working between your team, your customer, and your leadership. That eventually leads to better product where really no one is in charge, but everyone is definitely accountable and responsible for what they're doing. So this is really the foundation behind the overall Scrum cycle. And what that leads to is that leads to evolution of certain values in your organization, which are referred to as the core Scrum values. And one of them is transparency, which is creating really visibility of what's going on in your work environment, what's going on with the flow of work in your environment. Commitment, which leads to people making commitment, as we're talking about in self-organization, but really people making commitment for their goals, what they're achieving on a day-to-day basis. And the other few are courage, focus, and respect. So thank you for listening. Hopefully you'll look at other videos we have which go into details of the Scrum framework. Thanks.